All right, guys, so I'm going to show you a really cute hairstyle that I personally love doing on Victoria. So you're going to take your, and myself, your hair, whoever hair you're styling, brush it, and then divide it in two sections, okay? One section, just flip over the shoulder, and the other section you're going to take, and you are actually just going to twist it into a bun. Now, you can do this bun any way you want. I'm going to twist it like this, and then I'm going to scroll it over just like that. I just wrapped all the hair up in a really tight coil, and I'm going to take a quick little elastic band and loop it right on top. I have to link these elastics too because I love these elastic bands. I'm gonna do it twice just so I know it's in place. Okay, so you got this cute little bun right there. All right, so now you're gonna take this extra hair over here and you're gonna do a braid. Okay, Victoria, I'm gonna turn your head just like this so I can make sure we can see it on the video. So you're just gonna do a braid, a standard braid. I'm gonna actually you could do a French if you wanted to, whatever braid you wanna do. I'm just gonna do a basic braid because I know not everybody is fantastic at braiding. So I wanna show you that it could be any kind of braid. I'm gonna do, again, a standard braid. Just I divide it into 3 sections and I'm gonna braid it all the way down. Now Victoria has really long hair, which I have to be honest with you, helps with this style. You can't really do this style on super short hair, but you can modify it on like shoulder, medium, and then long is not a problem. I'm gonna show you what I mean when I say modify it, because you just have to move the bun over a little bit. So I'm gonna braid all the way down to the bottom, all right? And then I'm just gonna grab a quick little elastic band and I'm gonna band it. I have my son Henry, who actually helped me come up with this idea for this hairstyle. Remember that, Henry?
Hello.
All right, so now I have the standard braid, and I have the bun. What I like to do is kind of just go through, and I always just expand the braid a little bit just to make it look thicker. You can go as thick as you want to go, just be careful, okay? And then you're gonna take the braid, and put your head back again, and you're gonna just wrap it around the bun, just like this. So you're gonna actually position it so people can see the braid. So you're gonna just wrap it right around the bun. You see the little piece down here? You're gonna tuck it right through, just like that. And you're gonna just loop it. Now she has super long hair, so I have to make sure I loop it twice.
Kind of like a heart.
Kind of like a heart. And you don't see in the back. I'm gonna take another elastic band and I'm just gonna hold it into place so the hair doesn't fall out, and tuck it in. And then you have a really cute wrap around braid bun. And that's it. If you want to make sure it stays in place, bobby pins. This is also a really cute wedding or a prom or dance style too. But I just think it's cute, and you can go through and you can open up the braid a little bit more, whatever you want to do. But I just want to show you guys a really cute, easy braid.